Greetings, friends of the Cedar Mountain Herb School. I have some wildly exciting news. My long-awaited book, Wild and Beautiful Naturally, is ready for pre-order. It contains over 100 recipes that I created in my more than 30 years of offering natural skincare to thousands of wonderful folks, including myself. And look at me, I'm 87. Well, actually, I turned 60 this year. You know, when I stopped making products to sell to concentrate on teaching, there were a lot of sad people out there. So this book is for all of you. Not only are there amazing, easy to make recipes to bring out the beauty in you, but also tons of health and wellness tips and day-to-day inspirations. Are you as ready as I am to dive into the book? Go to cedarmountainherbs.com to order your copy. Don't forget, the holiday season is upon us. Everyone wants to glow with good health, and Wild and Beautiful Naturally takes the guesswork out of what to buy for your friends, coworkers, and loved ones. And guess what? With every order, names will be entered in drawings that will be held 3 times a week until the big launch on December 1st. You can win lip balms and soaps, Cedar Mountain Herb School t-shirts and PPE gaiters, and even signed copies of the book. How cool is that? Thank you all so much. I hope you enjoy Wild and Beautiful Naturally as much as I enjoy sharing it with all of you. As always, I love you and leave you wild about plants.